Okay, so my first tip was cast. This one I'm going to try to machine on the wood lathe, just touching up a few dimensions, and then we'll head out into the shop and make it. I think I have it designed well. This clutch ring is going to have this much movement up until this ledge. The clutch will be able to travel into here and open up and release the eraser. Okay, let's go out into the shop and make this. So the knurling was going well, but it broke. So I have to restart. Cool. A number of things went wrong in this one. I filed away part of my grip accidentally. I drilled my hole too big, squished it, it's triangular shaped you can see, to try to compensate for it being too big. One of my ledges wasn't deep enough, so I tried to make it deeper and all the other ones deeper, and that compensation caused me to break through the end. So I have to restart again. So I didn't think I'd be able to use a wood lathe to machine metal precisely. This turned out pretty well though. I made my first prototype using a fancy SLA 3D printer. I printed this and then cast it in sterling silver. I didn't think that a wood lathe would be able to machine this, but after a couple tries, this one failed and this one failed, I was able to make one that works. The way I was able to machine this precisely was by using a pair of calipers. I measured down to each one of my ledges and drill a little bit further if I needed to. So I'd measure, drill a little bit, measure, drill a little bit for each one of those ledges in there. Same goes for the outside. I'd file the outside to the final dimension and I would just measure along here to make sure that I was consistent. And same goes with my distance here.